Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your video quality on Tubi. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your video quality on Tubi, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in tubitv.com and make a search. The official page of Tubi's account will appear on the screen. Sign into your account using your login credentials and you'll end up on the home page of Tubi's account. From the home page, choose a movie that you'd like to watch and tap on it. On the next page, tap on little gear icon and from the pop-up, choose the video quality that you'd like to change to and tap on it. This is how you can change video quality on Tubi's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.